Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Sorkar zala Lightering Naiwe Arja apply. Bthah Lightering Autonomous District Council, but Pyntreikam no the digital land records, Hagi Office Trikam Gijonki. Yagani Garai la Shim Harujialang, Malapanya do Sumbud Mintirangba, Wuppa Yangatran District Council Affairs, about Prestun Titsong, but Kilang Chief Executive Member, Jokakasi Jantia, but Garu Autonomous District Council, Rikar Kajingan Lang Jogi Officer, Nagatana Revenue, but Nagatana District Council Affairs.
In fact, the government of India, through the Department of Land Resources, Ministry Government of India, they are willing to fund this important project where they really wanted that each and every state they should digitalize the land in their respective state. So now we have a detailed discussion, and we decided that these responsibilities should be given, should be entrusted to all the three district councils. They will become the implementing agency in their respective jurisdiction, and then we will have also, beyond that, we will have the project management unit, where we call it PMU, and this PMU is to be headed by the secretary of the head of the department of the DCA, then the members will be from Revenue Department, all the respective deputy commissioners, and then all the respective district council. They'll be also part of this PMU. So these were the issues where we discussed, and we have already decided that once the notification comes out, then the district council, all the three district council has to immediately implement this digitalization throughout the state. If it is like this, because see, right now, if you ask whether from the district council or from the state government, we don't have land record. Okay, there is no land record at all. So if you compare between Meghalaya and UP, in UP state, what they have, they already done this digitalization program, and it's so easy. Even my own private land, I have a proper document. We do have this record everything through through computer. You have all the record, because this is easily accessible, where anybody can just see, okay, the land of Prestone is from this much, the size is this big, that big, and then what we're doing is the district council or the concerned authority will issue me the land holding certificate. So once that is done, the dispute will be drastically reduced. Because see, right now the experience I've just shared with my colleague, three district council, when we go for land acquisition, maybe for 10 kilometers or 20 kilometers for construction of road, what happened? We have a very, very bad experience. The moment we release the compensation to one particular landowner, may be authenticated by the local headman or by the CMO. Again, maybe after 1 week or 2 weeks, again another person will come and claim, maybe from the same title. So these are the challenges that we have. And through this digitalization, I'm telling you, it will really help. It will transform the state of Meghalaya. Digitalization means those who already registered, be it with the district collector, or be it with the district council, or be it with the same of it, we will do the digitalization. And those who has not, then the district council or the district council will take up the responsibility of doing it. They'll make sure they'll issue a proper land documents, and thereafter they will digitalize it. Can't say right now when, but see, right now we will reconstitute that PMU, as I said you, even the state level monitoring committee to be headed by the chief secretary. Then we'll have, after that, then we will have even the district level monitoring committee. will be there, and I will keep having meeting with all the district councils once the notification comes out. Because they, from their side also, they said we have to do it immediately, and I told them you do it immediately, so that, as I said to you, once we have this land record in place, the kind of dispute, the kind of time consumption. Digitalization means it will take place entirely. And right now we are going to the 3 district council which is under the 6th schedule. Okay. So when you talk about the government land, revenue land, or maybe the cantonment land or whatever, that will come in the next phase. But the first phase right now is we are talking about the land which is totally under the 6th schedule.